Hello my lovelies, Mr. Wonderful here. Here we go. Mexicanos. I did do a peso a few weeks ago, but it's a different type. 1978. That was a good year. I remember that year very well. It was an ice cream year, if I remember correctly. Right, first of all, there's a punch hole in it, and for that, I'll use a 1/2 inch punch. It's not a huge coin, middle of the road, you know. Hope everybody's doing fantastic today. If you're not, why not? I need to know. If there's anything I can help you with, drop it in the comment. If I can help you, I gladly would. I gladly will. Right, let's give it a slap on the bottom. Yeah, I did a peso, I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 weeks ago. It was a different peso. Maybe it was a newer one, I don't know. Right, let's break out crispy burr. This just cleans up the edge to make sure there's no cracks or splits forming or... Right, that's pretty damn sexy. Let's show it a bit of love. Burley. I think that's hot enough. Right. Excuse me. Right, there you go. So we're going to go with this sunny side up on the ring. There's not much going on there, is there? So let's break out our dabbing block. That'll be all up to use. I'm getting better at it. I'm getting better at it. I think. Maybe this one. Right. Now I can go over to Big Red and do a bit of the old hoochie coochie on it. Right, we just want one of these. Maybe this one. Yeah, that'll do. And some Luby Lou. There she is. I never used to use enough Luby Lou neither, so if you're new to this game, use loads of Luby Lou. Right, now we can go over to Big Red again. And do a little bit of the old hoochie coochie coo on it. That went quite well. Let's make out Sandy's sister, Emma. Now that is pretty sensual, isn't it, eh? Look at that. Right, we're going to show it a bit more love again, I think. Falling in love again. It's hotter than the sun. Right. Let's dry it off. I'm going to go over to Spike. If I remember correctly, when I started doing coin rings, I got a load of these coins. And I think I split loads of them. Does that mean I'm going to split this one, or have I got it sorted a little bit better? I can't remember. I know they was a bugger to make, but I don't think I heated them up enough. Oh, this one's going easy. A bit too easy. It's probably split already. Nope, no split there. Still got that bow in it though, see? You want to get rid of that. It's funny, you start making these coin rings and you watch, I don't know, I probably watched 12, 15 different people making them. And you watch them, and you watch them. Well, I did. And I watched them, and I watched them again and again. And then you get your stuff and you start making them, and you don't do it how they did it. It's, you know, it's just, I don't know, perhaps it's just me. I didn't anneal it enough, I didn't do this enough. Of course things go pear-shaped on you. Look at that, there's no bow in there at all. I don't think. No, there's no bow in there, is there? I'll give it another pump and probably split it. That'll do. I'm not going to push me luck. And I'm going to warm it up again. So I'm feeling rather a bit warmish today. So there's some more heat in the room, shall we? Right, that should be the last time I have to do that. Because we are now going to go down to the bottom end of Spike, to the reduction dies. The excitement's building, isn't it? I can tell. Right. I hope Gary's okay. He's probably out helping his friends. Right, let's chuck in the other one. One, two. Yeah. Walls are perfect. Is there a lip? Yes, there's a lip. Your lip, man. There's a lip inside. Right. One of the holiday makers on the ship the other day thought I sounded like Michael Caine. I don't think I sound nothing like Michael Caine. He talks really slow, doesn't he? He said, my name is Michael Caine, and I'm a nosy neighbour. That's how he talks. I don't talk nothing like Michael Caine. That's good. That's gone. But I do like Michael Caine. I think he's a great actor. I think I've seen all his movies. Right, where is she? Is she? No, she's not. No. Vivi, out. There's glass everywhere. Vivi, out. Here she is. I did buy some more cage yesterday as well. Sorry, Kate, you got to go. Yeah, there's nothing left of you. I will chuck in one of these. These aren't quite as good. They're a little bit more abrasive, but if you don't, you just hardly touch it, it does something similar. Kate's cost me nearly €70 for two. These you can get from China, and they're about, oh God knows, I think I paid €10 for 50 of them. You can't change them, you just chuck the whole thing away. Bag of them. But they're slightly more abrasive than Kate. But as you can see, it's not really scratching it. But I do not press that hard. I have to do this right. My girlfriend says, no, you have to polish it again, there's a mark in it. I was watching a bit of telly last night. I forgot what it was. We don't watch a lot of TV. Well, there was this advert came on for like a hedge trimmer, you know, like an electric hedge trimmer. And they're saying, oh, it's only $29.99, and you get free, and they give you a set of free protective glasses, eyeglasses, valued at $29.99. Oh, that's the biggest load of bull I've ever heard. They cost about €3. You know what builders wear? $29.99 for a pair of plastic eye protectors. Yeah, right. Yeah, of course. Yeah, I'll have some of them. When you Americans, you can probably buy that sort of stuff in Home Depot or whatever it's called, you know. They don't cost nothing. They cost nothing over here. I mean, most companies give them to you for nothing. Right, let's stick in Felton John. Bloody magnets everywhere. Right, and where is our polish? Yeah, that's great, isn't it? I love this. I am going to tidy this up soon, because it's getting beyond a joke now. Stuff's right in front of me, and can I see it? Can I hell as like? There it is, hiding behind my cup. Of course, I don't have the lid anymore. You know me by now. Mr. Organised. Right, let's show this puppy a bit of love. That's Felton. I could wear gloves with this, but it's not the same, you know. Ouch. Yeah, I think this has come out quite good. Right, clean off the mingers. And we shall give it a little bit of a wipe round. We have a slightly cleaner cloth here. Oh yeah, not too bad at all. So if you're from Mexico and you'd like a ring, I have one for you. I have a few of these coins, believe it or not. Was it 8-9 months ago when I started? I think I bought 20 of these. And not from Mexico, I got them from Portugal, believe it or not. Right. How's it looking? Not too bad, eh? Nice and level. Inside is beautiful, look at that. My girlfriend still finds something wrong with it. Look, there's a mark there. Yes, dear. But she's right, you know, fair play to her. Right, what size did we get in the end? We got a size. This is a size 12, nearly 12 3/4, just over 12 1/2. I can make it bigger. I can make it smaller. If you haven't subscribed, there's a little button there. Not there, not there, not there, but there. You hit that, you're automatically subscribed. And they'll tell you stuff. So, I don't know what stuff they tell you, but they tell you something. It fits this finger absolutely spotty dog. Thank you all so much for your support, your love, your comments. Come on, more comments from people. And God willing, I will see you all tomorrow. Behave yourselves. If you can't, just don't get caught, whatever you're up to. So, yeah, be good, love thy neighbour, and I'll see you all tomorrow. So, bye-bye.